Imagine the most perfect beach you can conjure in your mind. Now, amplify that vision. Make the sunlight a little warmer, a little more golden. Deepen the blue of the water until it shimmers with a dozen different shades, from pale turquoise to a rich, profound sapphire. Whiten the sand until it looks like freshly fallen snow, soft and impossibly pure. This isn't just a fantasy. This is the reality that greets you in the Bahamas. The moment your feet touch the ground, the islands present a scene so idyllic, so utterly flawless. It feels less like a destination and more like stepping directly into a dream you once had. The air itself seems different here, carrying the gentle scent of salt and a subtle floral sweetness that immediately sets your mind at ease. This initial encounter is a full-body experience that goes far beyond a simple visual. The sun doesn't just shine, it seems to dance on the surface of the water, casting a million glittering diamonds across the sea. The sound of the gentle waves lapping against the shore becomes the soundtrack to your arrival. Yeah, it's pretty stunning. The water in the Bahamas is a spectacle all its own, a living, breathing entity of unparalleled clarity and color. It's a sensory experience that begins the moment you arrive. The sheer purity of it is almost hard to believe. This isn't just water, it's liquid crystal, a transparent world that beckons you closer. It is so transparent that you can stand chest deep and still perfectly count your toes, each one distinct on the soft white sand. You're not alone in this pristine environment. Soon you'll be watching small, curious fish dart around your ankles, their scales glinting in the filtered sunlight. Looking down from a dock or the side of a boat, the seabed is revealed in stunning detail. It's like peering the turquoise. A flawless pane of glass into another dimension. You can see vast fields of seagrass sway gently in the current, providing shelter for countless tiny creatures, while intricate wave-like patterns are etched into the sandy bottom by the ocean's gentle hand. This isn't murky ocean water, it's a vast natural swimming pool, so clean and inviting you feel an irresistible urge to dive right in. And the colors, they are a masterpiece of nature's design. In the shallows, the water glows with a bright, luminous aquamarine. As the depth increases, that aquamarine transitions to brilliant turquoise, then a striking cerulean, and out in the deep channels it becomes a majestic, inky, navy blue. From above, you can see these distinct bands of color laid out like a painter's palette, a breathtaking mosaic stretching across the sea. This crystal clear water is more than just beautiful. It's a window into a thriving and complex marine ecosystem. Float weightlessly above intricate gardens of fan coral, grain coral, and staghorn coral, and watch schools of sergeant majors move in perfect, synchronized formation. A sudden flash of electric blue catches your eye, a parrotfish, diligently nibbling algae and helping to keep the reef healthy. Beyond the reefs, the Bahamas is famous for its blue holes, geological wonders that are as mysterious as they are beautiful. Swim over the edge of one and the shallow sunlit seabed falls away into a profound, dark abyss. It's a moment that can take your breath away, to be suspended between the bright world above and the deep mystery below. It's pretty awe-inspiring. The Bahamas is a tapestry of unforgettable moments, a sprawling archipelago where every island holds its own unique secret. Of all the unique experiences it has to offer, perhaps none is more delightfully unexpected than coming face to snout with its famous swimming pigs. Tucked away, in the crystal-clear waters of the Exuma Cays, is an uninhabited island, affectionately known as Pig Beach. This isn't a clever name for a resort, it's a literal description. Here, a thriving colony of friendly, water-loving pigs has made its home, claiming this slice of paradise for themselves. The sight is truly surreal and utterly charming, a spectacle that has to be witnessed firsthand to be fully appreciated. As your boat approaches, you will see them. Pigs of all shapes and sizes, from massive, gentle giants to tiny, energetic piglets. They paddle out to greet you with surprising skill, their snouts held high above the gentle waves, often swimming right up to the boats in hopeful anticipation of a tasty snack. They've learned that the sound of an engine often means a free meal is on its way. Visitors are encouraged to get into the shallow, bath-warm water with them, creating a scene that is both comical and heartwarming. You find yourself laughing uncontrollably as a large sow paddles gracefully past, her eyes fixed on the treats in your hand, or as a group of curious piglets follows you through the shallows like a little parade, nudging your legs for attention. Taking photos here is a must, as you'll want to capture every unbelievable moment. The juxtaposition of these familiar farm animals against the backdrop of a perfect tropical paradise is something you have to see to believe. It's a living, breathing postcard from a wonderfully weird world. But how did they get here? The origin of these swimming pigs is a subject of local lore and friendly debate. One popular story suggests they were left by sailors who planned to return and cook them, but never made it back. Another tale claims the pigs were the sole survivors of a nearby shipwreck, swimming to the safety of the island. A more practical theory is that residents of a nearby cay moved the pigs to this separate island to keep their smell away from the village. Whatever their true origin, these porcine pioneers have become beloved icons of the Bahamas. Yep, it's delightfully odd, and an experience you will never ever forget. As the afternoon sun begins its slow, graceful descent over the Atlantic, a palpable shift occurs. The vibrant energy of the day softens, giving way to a special kind of magic that settles over the Bahamas, a quiet promise of the beauty to come. This is the golden hour, a sacred time when the sky prepares for its nightly performance. The world is transformed, painted in hues of amber and gold. The sun sinks toward the water, casting long, dancing shadows and bathing everything in a warm, honeyed glow that feels almost liquid. The air itself seems to shimmer, thick with anticipation, the intense blues of daytime surrender, yielding to an impressionist palette of soft pinks, fiery oranges, and regal purples. Each shade bleeds into the next, creating a spectacle that is never the same twice. Clouds, once white and fluffy, catch the last rays, lighting up in incandescent crimson and gold. Their colors are mirrored on the water below, doubling the beauty in a fleeting masterpiece that changes with every passing minute. Across the island, finding a spot to watch this daily spectacle becomes a cherished ritual. Perhaps it's on the deck of a sailboat, drink in hand, feeling the gentle rock of the waves as the horizon catches fire. Or from a quiet balcony, sharing the moment with someone special. Conversations hush. A collective, unspoken awe settles over everyone watching. This is a time for quiet reflection, a moment to feel deeply connected to the rhythm of the planet and profoundly grateful for its beauty. Once the sun finally dips below the horizon, the magic doesn't end, it simply transforms. A soft, purple twilight lingers, known as the blue hour. The first stars emerge, piercing the darkening canopy like scattered diamonds. The gentle sounds of the daytime are replaced by the evening symphony, the chirping of crickets, and the soft, rhythmic croaking of tree frogs. In the small towns and settlements, warm lights begin to glow from restaurants and homes, creating an inviting, cozy atmosphere. The air cools slightly, carrying the delicious aroma of grilled fish and spicy conch, mingling with the timeless, clean scent of the salt sea. Often, the gentle, infectious rhythms of calypso or reggae drift from a nearby bar, a warm invitation to unwind, to let go, and to soak in the completely laid-back, joyful vibe that defines a Bahamian evening. Planning your journey to this island paradise is wonderfully simple, as the Bahamas is designed for relaxation, not complication. When packing, think light and bright. Breathable fabrics like cotton and linen are your best friends. A few swimsuits are essential. Don't forget a wide-brimmed hat, quality sunglasses, and, most importantly, reef-safe sunscreen. A reusable water bottle keeps you hydrated, and a waterproof bag protects your gear. For larger islands like New Providence or Grand Bahama, rent a small car, and remember to drive on the left. For island hopping, especially in the Exumas or the Abacos, book a boat trip or charter. Arrange popular excursions, like the swimming pigs, in advance, particularly during peak season. Carry small bills in US or Bahamian dollars for tips, crafts, and fresh coconut water. The Bahamas holds a universal appeal, effortlessly catering to every kind of traveler. It is a perfect playground for families, a romantic haven for couples, an adventurer's dream for diving, snorkeling and sailing, and a sanctuary for the solo traveler. Ultimately, the Bahamas is more than a vacation. It stays with you. You will carry the memory of water, so clear it felt like swimming in liquid sky, and the surprising joy of watching pigs paddle in the sea,